Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Anu Bajaj. Today I will be discussing the poem The Darkling Thrush by Thomas Hardy. Let's get started. The Darkling Thrush is a meditative poem by Thomas Hardy in which he describes the dying of old world at the turn of the century. The poem is about a bird, a bedraggled thrush, singing a song on a gloomy evening of the last day of the year. The speaker on a frosty evening is leaning on a gate which leads to a small forest, while the speaker is outside on a barren landscape. Everyone else is comfortably inside, warmed by their household fires. The speaker is tired and dejected. The frost has made this landscape spectre grey, that is, as grey as a ghost. As the day ends, its eye weakens, that is, its light is fading, and it makes the twilight desolate. The very process of the nature are at standstill. Every spirit on the planet seems as lifeless as the speaker. The speaker is unaware of the cause that why birds are so happy. That is, the landscape becomes deserted. The broken lyre underlines the absence of harmony and therefore signifies the absence of joy. There has been presented a contrast between the barren outdoors and the warm and inviting households. Series of metaphors associated with death. The speaker has personified century by giving it capital letter C and has given it human-like characteristics as if the century is dead and the corpse left behind is the land that is the speaker is observing. Every spirit on the planet Earth seems to have lack in passion and intensity. The seeds of spring are shrunken, hard and dry now. He is sensing no hope for rebuild in the coming century. The tone of the poem changes from desolation to hope. An old thrush breaks out in the song. A thrush is a songbird that has a brownish upper plumage and a spotted breast. The song is filled with unlimited joy. Quite in contrast with the image of the bird, that is, it is aged, frail, gaunt, and small, having disordered, scurfy feathers. Hardy chooses an old, weak bird, not the nightingale of romantic tradition. A sense of life and hope is brought back by the bird, and the idea of religious faith is conveyed through the thrush, caroling, and blessed hope. But the irony is that the speaker cannot experience joy with himself. The speaker is not happy with the way the world is changing. Too much industrialization is playing pivotal role, making nature and environment gloomy, filled with so much of despair. Another reason which is bothering the speaker is urban laborers are leaving their homes to sustain themselves. The bird song has filled the hope that life is not as gloomy that the speaker has imagined. If the bird, who is too weak, having scurfy feathers and quite frail, can sing the song with full of positivity, then why humans cannot be happy and lively? There should be hope in every aspect. Life should be celebrated. Though speaker is not experiencing the joy that is visible in birds singing, yet he is optimistic that he would be able to find the cause of happy singing of thrush. The speaker is not so much optimistic. He does not welcome change. New technologies are making their ways, but he is listening melancholic song. After every night, there is a day to welcome with open arms. After dusk, there is a new dawn to be welcomed by us. After desolation, there is a hope that the life will be charming and worthy of living. Every change brings new insight with so much of a ray of hope, positivity, sense, any room of despair. The theme of loneliness and isolation abounds in the poem. However, gradually there comes a change with optimistic song of thrush that is sung on gloomy evening of the last day of the year, breaking the mood of unhappiness. The bird lifted the mood of the poet. Thank you very much. Tip of the day. Always be optimistic that on your invested effort with right approach, you are going to reap rich reward in terms of achieving your aims. In my next tutorial, I will be discussing another poem titled John Brown by Bob Dylan, suggesting a war no matter how much honor and prestige it brings to a country, it crushes the dreams of many and scares them for life. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe, and do take good care of yourself.